Are you tired of manually assigning every single lead that comes in? Learn how to automate lead routing in Salesforce in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to create a lead assignment rule step by step, from the gear icon to saving your first rule entry. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type in Assignment. Now click on Lead Assignment Rules from the results. Click the New button to create a new rule. Enter a rule name. In this case, we'll use Lead Source. Once that's done, click Save. Click on the rule name Lead Source to open it. Then, under Rule Entries, click New. Enter a sort order to determine priority. Next, enter a username for the assignment. Finally, click Save to finish. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.